In the tumultuous landscape of the 16th century, a powerful ideological shift began to take root, one that would shape the economic landscape for centuries to come. This transformation was the birth of Protestant Ethic Capitalism, a cultural force that intertwined religious beliefs with economic principles. In the crucible of the Protestant Reformation, a new philosophy emerged, championed by figures like Martin Luther and John Calvin. They preached a gospel of hard work, thrift, and the importance of individual salvation. This doctrine, known as the Protestant ethic, held that wealth was a sign of God's favor and that success in business was a divine reward for diligence and piety. The Protestant ethic stood in stark contrast to the Catholic Church's teachings, which viewed wealth as a distraction from spiritual pursuits. The Protestant Reformation, with its emphasis on individual interpretation of the Bible, allowed for the spread of this new economic philosophy. The Protestant work ethic began to seep into the fabric of society, influencing the attitudes of ordinary people towards work and wealth. The diligent, hardworking, and thrifty were seen as God-fearing and successful, while the idle and wasteful were viewed as sinners. This shift in mindset had profound implications for the emerging capitalist economy. The Protestant ethic instilled a sense of moral purpose in work, turning it from a chore into a calling. This newfound dedication to work fueled the Industrial Revolution, as countless industrious souls flocked to cities to seek their fortunes. The Protestant ethic also fostered a culture of savings and prudent investment. The belief that wealth was a sign of divine favor led the faithful to save their earnings, rather than squander them on frivolous pursuits. This practice of thrift laid the foundation for modern banking and finance. Moreover, the Protestant ethic encouraged entrepreneurship, as the faithful saw in business opportunities a means to glorify God through hard work and innovation. This entrepreneurial spirit fueled the growth of industry and commerce, driving the economic growth that characterized the early modern period. The Protestant ethic capitalism was not without its critics. Detractors argued that it fostered a materialistic and individualistic society, where wealth and success became the ultimate goals. However, its impact on the economic and cultural landscape of Europe and the Americas was undeniable. The Protestant ethic capitalism left an indelible mark on the world, shaping not only economic systems but also the very psyche of Western society. Its influence can still be felt today, as the values of hard work, thrift, and self-reliance continue to drive economic activity in many parts of the world. In conclusion, the emergence of Protestant ethic capitalism in the 16th century was a turning point in human history. It united religious beliefs with economic principles to create a powerful cultural force that drove the Industrial Revolution, fostered entrepreneurship, and shaped the modern capitalist economy. The legacy of the Protestant ethic continues to influence our understanding of work, wealth, and success.